everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, I am going to share with you all the summary and the central idea of the poem Rain in Summer by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. If you want to get the detailed explanation of the poem stanza wise, so it is available on the channel, you can go and watch it. So let's start with the summary. Rain in Summer by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The poem describes the joy and relief brought by rain on a hot summer day. It brings life to the earth, calms the atmosphere, and washes away the dust and heat. The speaker welcomes the rain, finding it a refreshing and beautiful sight. Student, Students, the poem celebrates the joy and relief brought by summer rain. The poem describes the rain's soothing effect on the parched earth, streets, and people. It contrasts the dry, sweltering heat with the refreshing downpour, highlighting how rain revives nature and lifts spirit. Before rain, everything was dry, everything was dull, even the mood of the people was not okay. But after the rain falls, it is greenery over everywhere. The weather is so nice, so soothing, and the people, also the animals, feel happy and they are all grateful to the god for such lovely rain. Longfellow portrays rain as a welcome, life-giving force, ending with a sense of renewal and gratitude. The poem praises the rain's beauty and benefits in summer. It highlights how rain revives nature and brings comfort. So this was the a summary of the poem. Let's consider the central idea. Central idea, as you all know, that is about the main theme of the poem. So the central idea of Rain in Summer by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow is the beauty and the rejuvenating power of the rain. Rejuvenating means that refreshing, right? Something that grows again, you can say. The poem celebrates how rain brings relief, revives nature, and brings joy on a hot summer day. The central idea of rain in summer is that summer rain brings relief, joy, renewal, happiness, and people, contrasting the oppressive heat with the refreshing and life giving force of rain. Obviously, when there is a scorching heat for a number of days, so we started to feel tired, we are dull, we do not like to do anything. The last thing remains with us is the hope that when the rain will fall, and finally when it is raining, we all get refreshed, everything is clean, everything has washed, the dirt has washed away by the rain, and it actually lifts up everything, including fields, including crops, including animals, people, and everywhere there is happiness when it is raining. So students, it was all from Rain in Summer. If you are still having any query, you can ask me in comment section. Again, I would like to tell you that the explanation of the whole poem is available. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.